Welcome back to SmartBolt, a place where we condense information, advice, and facts into easy-to-watch digestible content. In today's video, what is the best advice you've gotten from a therapist? These come from an anonymous group of people. 1. Your time and energy are valuable and spendable just like money. You don't go and blow all your hard-earned bucks on things that are bad and make you feel terrible, so stop blowing all your time and energy on people and things that are bad and make you feel terrible. To help me with this, my therapist had me get 24 tokens and set up sticky notes with work, sleep, social, etc. and spend the tokens for the day. It forces me to think if I need more time for myself or if I need social space after work. 2. A therapist told my friend with huge social anxiety, name as many embarrassing moments for someone else as you can in a minute, and you probably can't think of much. This is how people view your embarrassing moments. 3. Treat yourself as you would treat a small child. Would you only give them fast food? Deprive them of sleep? Let them lay on the couch all day? Basically to be your own parent. Definitely easy to set low standards for yourself. Made me think about how I responded to my son hitting himself in the head. I sternly told him something along the lines of, "You will not treat my son like that. Even if you are my son." 4. To stop making to-do lists, and instead make done lists. I burned out and I'd make extensive lists of things I had to do, because I thought every time I cross something off that list, I will feel accomplished. The problem was, I always overestimated what I was going to do, so I ended up only doing a few things, and the half-crossed list would make me feel unaccomplished. When I was halfway through the list, I'd think, ugh, I've done so much already and I'm still not done. Now, at the end of every day, I make a list of the things I've done. I still keep track of what's been going on, but I feel more accomplished. On some days I feel like I haven't been productive, but then I write down what I did that day and I realized it wasn't half bad. After reading that, it made me think about how I would use to tell myself I wanted to get certain tasks done in an hour, and for the most part overestimating myself, but now I try not to set some sort of a limit, by telling myself, I want to see how much I can get done in an hour, whether it was a lot or a little, and just take it as me moving closer to my goals. 5. You should not rely on other people for you to feel happy. You will only burden them with your problems and put your issues on them. Same goes for them. They should not rely on you to feel happy. After reading that, it reminded me about how you should live life doing what makes you happy, and act as if you are a main character of a movie, and people around you are just side characters that you shouldn't need to cater to, because it is your movie. Making this video was really fun. I will have a part 2 coming out soon. Thank you for watching the video. If the video added value to your life, go ahead and subscribe for more.